Hey everyone, Al here from Al Gusto Coffee Company. Today I have some exciting news that I've been keeping under wraps for a little while. I am thrilled to officially announce that Al Gusto Coffee Company is growing. We recently acquired a second Sprinter van, and over the next couple of months we'll be working hard to transform it into a complete clone of our current coffee truck. The goal is to have the new coffee shop on wheels out on the road this August. We've already made some great progress. The electrical system is in, the serving window is in place, the rooftop AC has been installed, and the new generator platform has been mounted. Most of the remaining work I will be doing myself. It's going to be a lot of long days, late nights, and hard work, but I'm very excited to bring this project to life and share the journey with all of you. I am happy to announce that the same talented artist who designed the wrap on our current van will be working with us to create the wrap for this one as well. A big thank you to Abby Narder for her continued partnership and for helping me bring my vision to life once again. I also want to give a big shout out to Billy from Foxy Roxy CNC for the window install. Also to Norm Sky for his expertise and tips on all electric. To the great team at Hudgens RV working with me on getting the rooftop AC installed. And also to my personal friend Jose Luis, who has been working on this generator platform build and mounted for me. This new van is an investment in our growth and our commitment to bring great coffee to even more people across our community. I want to thank each and every one of you for being part of this journey for the last 6 years. Your support has made growth like this possible. Be sure to continue following our page because we'll be sharing plenty of photos and videos and behind the scene updates as we build our newest coffee shop on wheels. Thank you for supporting local, and as always, we'll see you out there serving up great coffee and caffeinating our community.